welcome back to the video of Handy Games. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this one. And what is this? Let me show you. So you can open it this way and here you can see I've kept my snacks here. So this is for those people who can keep it on their study tables maybe, or anyone who stays in PG or somewhere where they have a room and a study table, they can keep this there with them so that they don't have to get up every time to get snacks. So yes, someone had requested me to make something like this, so that's why I made it. I hope you will like it. So without wasting time, let's begin.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.